bonus just in.
Math doesn't suck.
We're here to show you guys that learning math can be fun.
And also can be fun to teach.
We'll show you some cool websites, apps, videos that you can use to support your teaching and learning of algebra.
And these resources will take you through the process of learning basic algebra to the higher levels of algebra. So take out your pens, get ready to take some notes. This is an app called Math Doodles, and what Math Doodles can be used for is for teaching students basic math, kind of just when they're learning how to do math. It has many different games, as you can see, matching and stacking and all sorts of other fun stuff for kids to learn basic math skills.
So in addition to Math Doodles, we also found that Math Flashcards app, the Math Drills app, as well as the Freddy Fractions app were beneficial for kids to use.
Okay, so this is another interactive site that we found for teaching math. As you can see, there's a ton of different course material here that you could teach. Today we're going to focus on algebra. So we just click on the algebra one, and here comes a lot of games. So we're going to play this first one today, and it's called Number Balls. And so what you have to do for this one is you find the value of x, and then you have to click from lowest to highest. Okay, so this is FunBrain, and you just go to funbrain.com. FunBrain can be used for working on math and reading skills, but what we're going to use it for today is for the Math Arcade. So you just click on the Math Arcade here, and we're going to sign in as a new player. And so it's going to move us along the board and pick us a game, and this game is called Bumble Numbers, so we just click play. And it's going to show you how to play, but I won't bore you with that stuff. Okay, and here it is. So 120 is the answer to which one of these questions? 88 plus 32. Just drop it in there. We won, and so there's lots of other games you can play, and you just move along the board and you can get passwords as you go along, so you don't have to restart every time. And then we're going to play Moon Rocks next. Okay, so Moon Rocks is going to test our math and memory skills. Okay, so there's just a couple examples of games that you can use on FunBrain, and obviously if you click here it's going to take you to the next one, but yeah, that's it for this one.
So those were just a few resources that help you with the pre-algebra concepts of math.
You'll jump right into the app, and you'll notice it's a very simplistic app, easy to maneuver around. Just to show us a few of the features, I'm going to click on Order of Operations. You'll notice at the top there's also an Explain as well as a Practice tab. So in the top here, Explain will bring up a little kind of step-by-step on what you need to do for that section. You'll notice at the top also you have a Random button at the top right, so you can pick the question that you want, easy or hard, I guess. And also when you start doing some of the math, you'll notice here if I try to put those together, that's not possible. You can also hit the restart button if you get yourself a little bit in a bit of a pickle. Own problem sets, and then obviously allow their friends, maybe pass on their iPad to a friend to do them. So they can click create a problem set, So here they can type in, this is Pierce's problems. And then I can actually go ahead and start creating some problems. So I could say 3x plus 6 equals 20, and then save them. And once they've created some problems, their friends can actually start doing the problems that they've created.
So we found an app called Geometry Pad, and we like this one because it allows you to practice geometry, and you can create shapes and explore them and change them around and stuff. And it also allows you to create graphs, so you can create parabolas and see what that's all about. And it also allows you to do things with the real world, which we thought was really cool because everybody wants something to relate to their actual lives while they're doing math. And it allows you to do lots of other stuff. You can color things in and create your own graphs and shapes, and yeah.
In this video,
So Khan Academy creates a lot of videos, hundreds of them, on different skill levels of math, anywhere from very basic adding and subtracting to university level math. They don't just talk about it, they show you how to do it, they go through the procedures, they take you through everything you need to know step by step, which is super helpful for students as well as for teachers.
So Vi Hart is a YouTuber, and she makes tons and tons of videos that have to deal with math. She does really creative and innovative things to get you thinking about different aspects of math, and this is also really good to use in the classroom because she is very relatable to teenagers, so it makes them a little bit more interesting. As you can see, she's drawing and drawing away here on the screen, and she just does really fun things that get kids a little bit more interactive in math, and she's very smart and knows tons of different approaches to it. This is a site we found called IXL, and this one we really like because if you scroll to the bottom, it's actually based on the Canadian curriculum. Like we can click on Saskatchewan since we're from there, and so this one's also good because it not only gives you kind of like pre-algebra stuff when you're just learning it, it also gives you all the way up to grade 11, and they're working on grade 12. So we're going to show you how this works. So if you go to grade 11 and you click on See All, so this is everything that's in the grade 11 curricula basically. All of this stuff, and so we'll show you what to do. So if we go like multiply polynomials, it's gonna give us questions. So all we have to do is, so we'll go 12, and then you click on this and you put your variable in the bottom and then your exponent in the top, and then you can click, it's minus 18 Z, and then we go submit. So we got it right. So let's say we get this question wrong and we go 12Q. Say we think that's the answer, we're not really sure what we're doing, and so it actually gives us the correct answer here, and then it's gonna tell us what to do and what we answered here, and then it'll tell us the rule that we have to use. So to multiply powers with the same base, add their exponents, and then it shows you how to do it properly. And then once you understand.
So those are only a few examples of how you can teach your math curriculum using technology in your classroom. There are a lot more other resources that you can use though.
And the more you collaborate with other teachers, the more resources that you can discover and you can learn to use and incorporate in your teaching.
Thanks for watching, guys.
It's been real. Sarah and Alicia out.